Good night, everybody. My name is Diego Alejandro. I am system engineering student to UNAT, and today I want to present to you a speaking statement about about the effects of technology on the environment. First, I want to do a little introduction about the topic. Technology born from the need for survival of man. Humans have had a survival since the beginning of time. That's why they had invented tools to allow to overcome the difficulty of nature. It has evolved with development of time. Technology has allowed improving human life to condition. With the passing of time, the utensils have improved and adapted to prevailing needs, making them more sophisticated. Example, in the telephone model to 1898 is basic in comparison with the smartphone to 2013. Knowledge about the world has increased by the helping humans improving their invention. So technology has improved human living conditions but make their daily life easier. Other example is the PC. The first PC is very rustic. Modern PC are very complex. But the way in which it is used and produced has caused a lot of injuries to the environment. Forest fires, climate change, global warming, extreme weather, pollution, environment drought, rising temperature, greenhouse effect, um, air cooling, flooding, and the other troubles has generated. Have generated. My opinion is that depending on usage that we have to do and apply on technology's component lies with the greater world. Example that the global warming has increased because the greenhouse gas emission has worsened in the last 30 years. The cause of gas emission is dioxide carbon, methane, nitrous oxide, and chlorofluorocarbon usage. And from my point of view, needs policy and control that force to responsible usage and proper treatment of wasted electrical and electronic equipment, or WEEE. If the current trends in technology of development and construction continue, I think we will probably affect the natural balance in terrestrial ecosystem forever. I hope that in the future people will be responsible and conscious about the current use of technology. How do you see the future of our planet? I can see four consequences. Sorry. The first, the poles will destroy completely. Second, it will be the transformation the climate in different regions. Third, natural resources will scarcity because high temperatures and high technology demand of people. Example, the water will be scarcity. And four, pollution causes destruction of natural source. How to mitigate the environmental damage? I have 4 points. The first, any person can separate the garbage and proper treat and technology wastage. Second, we need to learn to recycle and reuse. Third, we must use products that can be reused. With example, the wood. Fourth, periodically we can turn off lights and technology devices such as computer, smartphones, smart television, and others electromagnetic. And final, and the most important, do not accept the use of technology. So thank and this is the end.